A friend suggested I try French Creek, and so I did. I put in near Venango early on a Saturday morning. There were schools of darters and panfish in the shallows, and in some of the pools, I could actually see clear to the bottom. I came around a bend and there was an eagle just a few hundred feet away. I saw 2 more eagles later that day. I think that sums up the French Creek experience for me. You slip into the water and slip into the past. It's clean and remote and wild, like it hasn't changed for 1,000 years. It's a special feel that's all its own.